To lock apps in OnePlus Nord 5, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. We can then scroll down and select security and privacy. From here, just scroll all the way down and find special features, app lock. Select it, then move to the settings. If it asks you for a privacy password, you will need to create one. If you have it already, just enter it. So in this case, I'm gonna go for something simple if it's even allowed. Let's use it. Now we can enter our recovery email or a question. Let's go with the question. Former teacher's name. Let's just do something like this. And here we have our app lock. You can activate it with the switch like that, and then select a specific apps that you want to lock. Now if we move to the locked, you can see all of the apps that are locked, and you can unlock them if you like. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.